What's going on, YouTube? Uberman here. So Barney Harford is the COO of Uber, the first COO Uber has ever had. And his job right now is figuring out the best way to distribute Uber's marketing dollars between traditional marketing channels and its rider and driver promotions and subsidies. Subsidies, that's right. So this could be an interesting year. Subsidies include things like referral bonuses, obviously, and things like Boost, Quest. These are subsidies. His job is to find a better way of managing them. This concerns me to some extent because it could definitely affect the amount of Quest bonuses drivers are going to see in the 2018 year. So here's a quote from Harford. I think you should expect to see over the course of the next 12 months it will evolve that mix and strategy that we use within the way we allocate those investments for sure. That doesn't mean the company will do away with subsidies entirely, he said. While the company has already lowered its incentive payments to drivers quarter over quarter, it remains important for Uber to find a more cost-effective means to attract and keep riders and drivers, given it's a big source of loss for the company. So, keep your eyes open for that. Start looking out for Quest bonuses or Boost to start going down. At least that's the way I take this article. You can read it for yourself. Maybe you will interpret it a little bit differently than I did, but the link will be in the description as always. And until next time, like, comment, subscribe, stay safe out there, Uber and Lyft on.